like to go to help desk.
Hey Reese, I'm here. I'm coming over to you right now.
I can smell you.
I mean, if we have this capped, I'm totally doing a weapons convoy.
Yeah, I need to do some. I've got I'm running low on stuff. What the fuck? What is that?
What? I can't hear anything. What did you hear?
Don't look at me like that. I ain't doing shit.
Some cunt like fucking dying.
It's probably fucking Chairman Howe on the other side of the fucking wall.
Nah, this sounded it was.
Maybe it's you. You know how you like to make noise in direct comm and not in group, or not in.
Dude, fuck your dad.
Poppy laughing makes me realize that he also knows what I'm talking about. Fucking Stacks will mute in the.
Hey, you know what I'm talking
and be
about.
like, do you fuck your anus with your own cock?
Dominic,